Hi, first graders. I'm so excited to be able to teach you some new words this week. These are high frequency words that you will see in your decodable reader and some of the lessons that your teachers will be working with you on this week. First word is was. Can you say was? Was. I'm going to read the sentence using the word was, and then you're going to read it with me. I was at the park yesterday. Now your turn to read with me. I was at the park yesterday. Was. Let's spell was. We're going to skywrite it in the air just like we do in class. W-A-S. Was. Great job learning the new word was. The next word we're going to learn this week is you. Say you. Very good, saying you. I'm going to use it in a sentence. You are my friend. You read that with me? You are my friend. Great job. Now we're going to skywrite the word you in the air. Y-O-U. You. The next word we're going to learn is they. Say they. Very good saying they. Now listen to the sentence and then we'll read together. They are going on a trip. Ready to read with me? They are going on a trip. Great job. Now let's skywrite the word they. T-H-E-Y. Great job spelling the word they. I'd like for you to get a piece of paper or anything that you have to write on, or anything you have to write with, pencil or marker or a crayon. And we're going to write these new words on a sheet of paper. First word we're going to write is was. W-A-S. Was. Great job writing the word was. The next word we're going to write is you. Y-O-U. You. Great job writing the word you. The last word we're going to write is they. They. T-H-E-Y. They. Great job writing the word they. Can you put these letters in order to make the word? Let's give it a try. If you made the word was, you are correct. Can you put these letters in order to make the word? If you made the word you, Y-O-U, you are correct. The last word, you put these letters in order to make the word. If you wrote they, T-H-E-Y, you are correct. Great work. Now let's read these words together. Was, they, you. awesome job today learning these 3 new words. See if you can make more sentences with these words or use them in a sentence while you talk to your parents or your family members today. Have a great day.